Do you want to hide names from all your Snapchat notifications on your iPhone for better privacy? Well, there are a couple of ways to do that. First, you're going to open Snapchat app, go to your profile to settings. Under the shortcut, open notification. It's recommended to turn off all the friends and activity related notifications if you don't want to see any alerts or names on your screen. And you're okay with opening the app to check updates instead. Apart from that, to specifically hide the name on your Snapchat notifications, you can go to your iPhone settings, to notifications, scroll down, and from the app list, just find out Snapchat. Now, don't worry about any of these alert styles. Just enter show previews and select never. From now on, you'll still get notifications, but the names will be hidden. It's a win-win. Thanks for watching.